Parents are drinking more since the coronavirus lockdown began. 1 in 6 are drinking every day, citing stress and anxiety, as well as the pressures of remote schooling as their key reasons.
The survey has been done by the Alcohol and Drug Foundation, and its chief executive, Dr. Erin Lalor, joins us now from Melbourne. Good morning, Erin. Welcome to Breakfast.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm good. This is always a subject that gets people fired up, even early in the morning, feeling that there might be judgment being cast here. But what have you found with this survey?
Well, we spoke to 1,000 parents to understand what had changed for them with alcohol during the lockdown. And what we found was that 1 in 4 told us that more than 1 in 4 told us they were drinking more alcohol, and 1 in 6 told us they were drinking every day.
And why? What alarms you about that?
Well, I mean, it's a really tough time, and it wasn't unexpected to hear the reasons that they were telling us that their alcohol intake had gone up, and that was related to stress and anxiety. 1 in 4 said that homeschooling was one of the reasons that they'd increased their alcohol intake. But they also spoke about the increase in exposure to alcohol-related memes. And in the millennial group, the 18 to 35-year-old group of parents, they cited exposure to alcohol-related memes as the most significant reason for increasing alcohol take. So it's a perfect storm, really. We've got stress and anxiety, great uncertainty, kids at home all the time, and this bombardment of alcohol-related memes and advertising. So it's not surprising, really, that we're seeing parents increasing their alcohol intake, which is why we've launched the campaign You're Not Drinking Alone.
Yeah, it's interesting with the millennials, isn't it, Erin? Because that group has had significantly less drinking rates. We've noticed that sort of dropping off over the years.
Yeah, well, I guess so we saw amongst parents who have children aged 9 to 12, they were the group that was most likely to report an increase in alcohol consumption during the lockdown. And it really is, I mean, the times are extraordinarily tough. Parents are doing it really tough. They're having to work from home. We saw drinking increase most amongst parents who are working full-time, as well as homeschooling their parents. So helping parents understand the important role that they play as role models for their kids. And just as easily as they can role model those unhealthy behaviours, they can very easily do the opposite. The campaign that we're launching is getting them to think about their drinking and think about what that means for their kids, and helps them understand what they might be able to do to start to change that drinking behaviour.
All right, Erin Lalor, thank you very much for having a chat to us.
Thank you.